Hey guys, I'm Chris, and I help beginners land 60K plus a year remote marketing jobs with no prior experience or degree needed. And I'm going to be talking about the different industries that you can work in as a digital marketer. So, jumping in, number one, digital marketing agencies. This is where I got my start in my career. I've worked in multiple agencies, and you work with a wide range of different clients from a whole bunch of different industries, local businesses, insurance companies. So this is a pretty good start for people wanting to get in to digital marketing. Different roles here. Some companies are going to want specific client facing roles only and specific service based roles. And then some companies are going to combine those. So, depending on which company you work for, that's what you're going to get. So, being able to know how to communicate and talk to the client and then also be able to deliver the service are both very important skills. Then, ad platforms, Google Ads, Meta Ads, LinkedIn Ads, TikTok Ads, right here, very important. Some agencies are very focused on just one platform, while others give you a whole suite of different platforms. Tools right here: Google Analytics, SEM Rush, Ahrefs, HubSpot, Canva. And then skills: paid media, SEO, copywriting, reporting, communication, project management. All these are going to be very important, and you're going to see throughout all these industries, all of these are going to be pretty much universal. SaaS, software as a service, marketer, lifecycle email marketer, growth marketer. The cycle here from the lead all the way to the sale might be a little longer for software, and they focus more on LinkedIn ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. Specifically LinkedIn, I know, because they're going to be targeting a lot of businesses, B2B. And then, yeah, tools right here: HubSpot, Marketo, Salesforce, Segment, Mixpanel. Being able to create the funnel, learning how to copyright B2B, analytics, also very important. Making sure that your website, your funnel is optimized, and email automation. E-commerce right here, direct to consumer and retail. Ad platforms, Meta ads is important, TikTok ads, Google Shopping, Pinterest ads, and Amazon ads. All very important if you're getting into e-commerce. Shopify, very popular, probably the most popular e-commerce platform. Klaviyo is good email marketing software, and Google Analytics 4. Then skills here: return on ad spend focused, making sure that it's a positive return on ad spend that you're getting. Product page optimization, email flows, A/B testing, retargeting. Then healthcare and wellness, you got to be careful here. This is a very sensitive industry, so just making sure that you're compliant with all the policies on the ad platforms that you're marketing in. And Google local ads, Meta ads, Yelp ads, using Bright Local, Podium, Google Business, Canva, WordPress, and then being able to understand and optimize local SEO, reputation management on Google reviews, Yelp, Facebook reviews, all that stuff, social media and ethical marketing. Local services, this is going to be your local plumbers, landscapers, dentists, real estate, even digital assistants, lead gen specialists, local service ads, meta ads. Yep, here are the tools here. And lead generation, map pack SEO, ad tracking, CRM usage, online education, info products. A lot of content creators here: Jeremy Miner, Grant Cardone, a lot of people that are in the content and the info product space here. Making sure that you know how to build funnels, market, and create webinars, meta ads, YouTube ads, Google search. Very popular tools here: ClickFunnels, Convert, Teachable, System.io, Canva. And as you can see, a lot of these skills are pretty universal, right? Copywriting, landing page, storytelling, webinar, upsells. So you're going to be able to take a lot of these skills and use them in whichever industry you decide to go to. So they're very evergreen skills, and then as technology changes over time, you'll adapt, you'll learn different skills, and then you'll be good as a digital marketer. B2B companies, consulting firms, a lot of LinkedIn here, right? B2B, is very LinkedIn heavy. LinkedIn ads, Google search, YouTube ads, HubSpot, Salesforce, Manbase, Figma, Clearbit, white paper writing, lead scoring, outreach, intent-based targeting right there. Then real estate, a role, social media manager, PPC, lead gen, SEO for listings. Then you're going to be using Google Ads, search and local, very important, Meta Ads, and Zillow, using the paid features on Zillow as well. There's some tools, Follow Up Boss, IDX, integrated sites, Canva, Google Business Profile. And for skills, very similar, local SEO, lead nurturing, listing optimization, CRM drip campaigns. It also could be a longer sales cycle as well. Finance and fintech, growth marketer, compliance, copywriter, analytics specialists. Yeah, a lot of Google ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads. Again, a lot of B2B tools, segment, Google Tag Manager, Hotjar. This is for heat maps, being able to see when people land on your site, your landing page, kind of where their attention is going to, where their eyes are looking at, where the mouse is going, intercom. A lot of data-driven marketing, funnel, regulated ad copy, conversion rate optimizations are very similar. Nonprofit and political organizations, also very good, beginner-friendly. I think one of my very first internships and experience I've ever gotten was with a nonprofit. So, and you'll be doing a good service, providing a good service to a good cause as well. Email campaign manager, digital organizer, grant ads manager, Google ad grants, Meta ads, email campaigns, and then good for email marketing here. MailChimp, Klaviyo, Nation Builder, Mobilize. Skills, grassroots marketing, storytelling, compliance, segmentation, community growth. So a lot of this stuff is being able to obviously grow, get attention for the business, the organization you're working for, being able to storytell and making sure you're compliant with all the policies too. That's very important. And media, content, influencer companies, roles, channel manager, content, SEO, affiliate manager, using ad platforms like these right here, Meta ads, YouTube ads, finding influencer collabs as well. It doesn't have to be huge, crazy influencers. It could be more micro-sized influencers within your niche as well. Tools, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Notion, Canva, Hootsuite. And then, skills right here, SEO, thumbnail titles, affiliate strategy, video scripting, all very important. All these skills, once you get them, they're very universal. You can use them, to work in any of these industries here. And where to start, because I know there's a lot of industries. It's probably pretty complicated on where you should start. So here are just some ideas for you to bounce around. Agencies, it's best for fast learning and for variety. So if you're wanting to get into the digital marketing industry, wanting to get some experience quick, agencies are a great place. SaaS, ideal if you want stability and tech industry growth. I mean, as technology, AI, everything's growing and the demand gets more and more. SaaS is going to be a very lucrative industry to get into. E-com as well, great if you love performance marketing. It's competitive. It's all online. E-com business owners are usually pretty on par with the more on trend digital marketing services. So very exciting industry there. Local businesses, easier entry level access. So a lot of local businesses are ran by older generations that might not be as tech savvy. So if you can go in there and ramp up their marketing, making it more modernized, and add different techniques, tactics that you learn, then it's very beneficial to you being able to get results and experience, and also to the business owner because you're increasing their business, growing their business. Then info products, very remote friendly and copywriting focused, also a good lucrative industry as well, very high margins. Yeah, and that's basically it. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check out my link in the description down below. I help beginners land 60K plus a year digital marketing jobs with no prior experience or degree. And I have a free video guide on how to do that. Just go to my website, chrishwin.com. All right, guys. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.